welcome to this tutorial on how to install the DNotes Electrum wallet. The first step is to go to www.dnotescoin.com. Then you're going to scroll down towards the end of the page to where it says Electrum under downloads, and you can then choose between Windows, Macintosh, and Android versions. Myself, I'm choosing the Windows version today. The next step is to open up the file, and if you're running Windows 10 like I am, you might get a notification saying that Windows has tried to prevent you from opening it, so you just click More Info and then Run Anyway. Install. So the Electrum DNotes wallet is a light version of the normal DNotes wallet, and so what that means is you can have a version of the DNotes wallet on your computer without having to download the DNotes blockchain. So we're going to click Next, and then we're going to select Standard Wallet, click Next, and then select Create a New Seed, and click Next. And then that brings up this screen, which has 12 English words right here. Now these words are incredibly important to keep safe, because anybody who has a copy of them can gain access to your wallet. And we need to use these words again later in the installation process, so I'm going to just write them down in Notepad real quick and click Next. And then now we have this page for a seed extension. So where we had 12 English words before, we can make our passphrase even more secure by adding additional words to our passphrase. So instead of say 12 words, we could make it 15 or 18 or 20 words, and they don't just have to be normal words. So I'm going to add the words water, computer, and heater, but you can also make them alphanumeric. So to make it even more secure, you could go A, J, H, Y, F, D, 3, 4, and then you could go 1, I, 4, H, G, F. And then I'm going to copy those, and I'm going to put them into my Notepad document, and I'm going to go Next again. And so now we need to confirm our seed, so that's our original passphrase. I'm going to copy and paste those into there, click Next, and then we have to confirm our seed extension, which is going to make our passphrase or our wallet even more secure. And then we need to add a normal password for our wallet. So think of a nice secure password. And then we now have a DNotes Electrum wallet. So looking around inside the DNotes Electrum wallet, you'll see that we have a transaction history page here. We can send using this page. We can request. We have a list of addresses that belong to this wallet here, and we have a coins page. But right now I need to send some DNotes to this wallet. So I'm just going to copy this address here, and I'm going to send some DNotes to it. So I've now made 2 transactions of 10 DNotes each to my Electrum wallet, and I'm going to quickly show you how to make a payment to someone. So if you go to the Send tab at the top and you put in a DNotes address to pay somebody some DNotes, and then if you come down to invoice here, one of the really cool things about the DNotes blockchain is it has embedded invoicing. So you can put an invoice number in there, and it becomes really easy for somebody else to know where the money's come from, say for a business. So we can put whatever we want here as long as it's alphanumeric, so you can't use spaces or special characters. So I'm just going to go Electrum DNotes video, and I'm going to make it 10 DNotes in size, and I'm going to click send, and then we need to put in our wallet password. Press enter, and it's going to sign, and we've successfully sent a DNotes payment. Now, the next time that you want to access your Electrum DNotes wallet, you'll see that we have a new field here, which is for your password. So to get in, all you have to do is put in the password that you created when you installed the software. However, there are times when that might not be feasible. So let's say, for example, that something happens to your computer and you need to wipe it clean and you don't have the wallet data on your computer anymore, so something bad happens to your computer. Or let's say that you're in another country and your computer isn't nearby you and you still want to be able to access your funds. So let's say I go here and I delete my wallet data. That will make, and then I close this. Now I should have something that will look a lot like a fresh install. So it says here, my wallet file does not exist. So I'm going to press next and I'm going to go standard wallet. However, instead of like last time where we created a new seed, I'm going to say that I already have a seed. And now if we remember all of these 12 words here, I'm going to put them in there, press next, and then it's going to ask for my seed extension, which I created here. Press next, and then we get to create a new password. So put that in, whatever you want it to be, and now you'll see that we have now gained access to the same wallet, and it has the same incoming transactions, same two incoming 10 DNote transactions and the outgoing DNotes transaction of 10 DNotes as well. So as you can see, this is how the passphrases will grant you access to your wallet, and for that reason, you need to keep them as safe as possible. And that, everyone, is a basic introduction to the DNotes Electrum wallet.